Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I just remembered to give you guys an update on Project Vader, the 2026 2500 HD ZR2. I actually did my first mod, which is remove this factory exhaust, and I replaced it with the MBRP Armor Pro exhaust. And I just wanted to give you a heads up on how easy this was to remove. All you need is a small pry bar, a 15 millimeter wobble, and an extension, and then an impact or a ratchet. Or a ratchet if you don't have an impact. Sorry I'm sweaty. I was in the middle of doing yard work when I decided to do this, and it's about 90 degrees here. So the exhaust, it will come out all in one piece, but as you can see here, I cut it right there just to make it easy, because I wasn't going to reuse this exhaust for anything, and I also didn't really feel like putting the truck up on a lift. I did this with the truck just sitting here. And then what we'll do is go ahead and give you a little sound demo of it. But there you have it. That's the first mod on the 2500 HD ZR2, the 2026. I love the exhaust. Highway, very, very little slight drone, but nothing that I would be concerned about. And then around town, it's just loud enough to notice that you put an exhaust on it. From the factory, these things were way, way, way too quiet. So you got to hear a little sound of it, and I will mix in some of the drive-bys and then the takeoffs right now. Now that you've gotten to see the 2500 HD in action with the MBRP Armor Pro exhaust, let me know what you think. Hit it up in the comments down below. And then in case you missed it, I think it does sound pretty good. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one.